Hey road warriors, buckle up as we embark on a journey through 125 road rage driver scenarios and the karma that follows. Join me as we move through these situations, learning to stay away from these wrong turns. Remember to wear your seatbelt. Safety first. Let's go! Do you have any idea how long it takes to stop this thing? That should be a question that people have to answer before being allowed to drive.
You don't touch a fucking truck up, do you? How in the piss are we?
Road rage. The driver tried to follow closely and wanted to pull the car in front of him off the road, but no success. He eventually had to leave.
Not close enough! Too close, mate. You passed me way too close.
Mate, how is that logical? Do you need to drive in the road?
You're on camera.
Excuse me.
I like that road.
Put your mouth shut. Hey, you can't. You can't. Wait. Come in. Wait. You can't. Wait. Wait.
Love how he attempts a handstand without the proper training. Time for them to review the driver's handbook. His road rage resulted in instant karma. Wow! A police officer arrived at the right place when you needed them. Cutting off a cop by running a red that's embarrassing. Gotta give the truck driver props for creativity, and it seems to be effective.
Вот что делать. 6, 8.
Road Rage has a rather unpleasant ending. If you like the video or subscribe to the channel to support us, thank you very much.
Пнул. Да, давай. Вот что делать. Я в этом случае все навидел.
Stop being angry and put away your baseball bat if you are incompetent. The driver of the red car was traveling at high speed and got angry when a black car blocked the road. Please comment number 1 to eliminate such actions. The policeman said, "Good job, just in time. I still haven't met today's quota." This guy had just returned from having fun at a party, driving in an inattentive state. This Justice driver called and reported 911 to stop him immediately. The car driver angrily interrupted and stopped the truck driver because he had not given way. Who has the right to go first? Please leave your answer below in the comments.
I saw you. Okay, then you cut me off. The f*** off, bro. No.
Don't go too fast when it rains. Lesson learned exactly here is why you don't leave your car. The driver of the Lexus aggressively followed and tried to cause road rage. Immediately after that, he was urgently summoned for his behavior. This guy was very angry because the truck driver did not give way to him. Oh my, the early morning outrage.
Pull over and text. I could be your dad,
Ma'am,
yeah, lady.
I could press serious charges on you for recording me.
You're right.
This is why doctors say not to drink when you're pregnant.
This little bitch ass hoe right here.
I used to shake
Right,
it, mama. Don't shake it.
right.
Don't shake.
And if this was the street, I would have got that bitch ass.
Oh, and it was a fucking car!
Laugh out loud. I love the cameraman's reaction.
Oh,
Priceless.
Oh, I love it! Oh, you stupid dick! Instant karma, motherfucker!
Cocktails pick up after rolling stop. Instant karma follows. The steroid rage quickly drained right out of him when he saw the cops. Learn to give way. For a civilized lifestyle, if he knew it was a police officer, would he have done this? Instant karma. Bad driver, unmarked police stopped. The dual left turn lanes at the traffic light. In the video, the white SUV narrowly missed by inches and didn't correct course despite a horn. Just because you're driving a semi doesn't mean you're allowed to cut off everyone. Nothing's more annoying than people who think their time is more valuable than others. I enjoyed the moment when the police officer waved his hand. That's a big meaty ticket right there. Instant karma for the Camaro driver. Now I understand why my package didn't arrive on time. Jokes aside, I hope the driver... Even if I didn't have eyes, I would be very satisfied hearing their laugh. I didn't see the gigantic truck officer. He had to back up to let the driver out. He learned a lesson today. The white car thought it was more important, so it bypassed traffic on the right shoulder. I like how he turns slowly, as if the cop wasn't in front of him. This is precisely why, when approaching a traffic light, I keep a distance from the vehicle in front of me. Imagine ruining your entire week to save 5 minutes. Car performs illegal U-turn, immediately gets pulled over. Have a dent for your impatience. Driving carefully is always beneficial, especially when there are many uninsured vehicles. As a former skateboarder, I love the fact that he was able to clear the entire road. The driver is really daring, but at the same time, bikes shouldn't occupy both lanes. When you give in to intrusive thoughts and it backfires. Mercedes SUV traffic cheater experiences instant karma. In New Zealand, right-turning drivers must yield to those going straight, regardless of the stop sign order. Justice. The wheels on the SUV aren't even rotating, just dragging. A valuable lesson in avoiding road issues. The timing is incorrect. It occurred around 2 p.m. Sweet karma, perhaps the best kind when it comes to road rage. Luckily, the bike rider. This is the perfect example of karma. I would have been crying of laughter if I were you. Oh my, his recklessness had come at a high price. A little sense after all the road rage. It's never that serious. Stay in your cars, everybody. Never look at someone when you're flipping them off in the car. You keep your eyes on the road. They'll divert to see you, and they'll make the mistake, not you.
That's what you get! Oh!
When you can remember being a bad driver but can't remember parking in the parking lot. Once again, keep your eyes on your road. Retaliation was unsuccessful. Receive immediate karma. Please focus when participating in traffic because it is like a helmet for you. This road rage between a van driver and an HGV. The HGV driver ran down quick. Instead of using turn signals, this guy uses his finger to ask to give way.
To live through now.
This guy should have his driver's license revoked because of his reckless driving.
I don't understand. Can I help you? Can I help you? Get back in your fucking car. Get back in your car. It's a green light!
Even with road rage, you still have to be stylish.
27 Easton Avenue, southbound Brook, New Brunswick.
Road rage on 287 in New Jersey. The driver of the silver car cut in and angrily followed the black car the whole way just to vent his anger. If you like the video, please support me with a subscription. Thanks very much. The driver's distraction caused a collision with an oncoming vehicle. Please pay attention to ensure the safety of yourself. This will be a lesson for drivers who often overtake recklessly. Please keep calm while driving. Our journey today will temporarily come to an end here. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe. If you'd like to watch more videos, just click on the screen to continue. Okay, thank you for watching the entire video.